Hello, this is Dee from the Fishing Gardeners, back at it again. So I just wanted to show you my miracle fruit trees. Look at all of these fruits. Look at all these miracle berries on this tree. It's so many. They're all on the ground. They just exploding. It's all through here. You know, I had 3 miracle berry trees, and I picked a lot off. I just picked off a lot this morning, and I mean, they're exploding. So I keep my miracle fruit trees in a pot to just gonna be able to control the soil, the acidity in the soil. Let me show you what I use for all of my berries, whether they're strawberries, miracle berries, Barbados cherries, this right here. Okay, that's what I use, and with that, you can see it's so many. Now, because we've been getting a lot of rain, a lot of them are dropping. They usually don't drop as much as this, but even with them dropping, you can still see a lot. There's still a whole lot on there. Look at that. You know, and I mean, they're blooming like crazy. So I've actually picked about 100 or so off the tree already before I even started this video. Okay, and I'm still picking more. What I do is, the shelf life is usually about 2 days, but what I actually do is I actually freeze them. And when I'm freezing, I'm gonna let you, I still have miracle berries from last year in the freezer. They still work. So when you pick them, you know you can't eat all of those within a day or two. Put them in the freezer bag and freeze them. And then every time you want to use them through the winter, that's what we did. Go buy some lemons, whatever. Eat the lemon like a citrus, you know. First you take that miracle berry, squish it around. Then you go ahead and place that citrus in your mouth and eat it, and there's the sweetness. So yeah, so that's the experiment we did last year. We put them in the freezer, you know, because the miracle berry tree was producing so many berries. We was like, okay, we don't want to waste any of these. And it was coming so fast, so we decided, let's try freezing them and see how good that works. Well, it works. It sure does. So when I'm going to use them, what we did all winter long was we just took it 1 or 2 out, popped them in our mouth, and you know, it just worked every single time because we eat fruits every single morning. Every morning we eat fruits. So that right there is to show you can actually freeze these and it will work. They will continue to do what they need to do. And what they do is, remember, trip the tongue receptors into thinking that the fruit is sweeter. That's what these actually do. So you take this, squish in your mouth for 20 seconds or 30 seconds, and then you go eat something sour pickle, a lemon, a lime, and it'll taste sweet like fruit punch. That's what they do. Okay, so just bringing you this little info, short video on this. And again, this is what I use right here. I'm quite sure you could use any that is going to help blueberries. Every berry I have, whether it's blackberry, Barbados cherry, strawberry, miracle berry, whatever has anything that says berry, I use that. And it does wonders for me. I mean, it makes the trees explode with fruit. Okay, so just bringing you that little info, and like I said, this was my experience of what I've learned. You can go ahead and do your research, but this is what I learned. Do remember, I am in Central Florida, Zone 10A. Okay, so this is what I do. You can try it or not. I'm just bringing you that, and that's how my miracle fruit trees have been producing for 3 years. They've been producing so much that I freeze them and have miracle fruit all year long. Okay, so just bring that little info again and do the research. But this is what I do, and that's what works for us. Hopefully you're having a blessed day. Goodbye.